Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform an initial setup of your SONY KD-43X TV. So first of all, select the desired language of your device by selecting one of the available options you see right here. Then select your region or country from the following list. Then you can either choose to set up your TV as a Google TV or as a basic TV. Basic TV is basically just a limited option of a Google TV. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up a Google TV, which is the first option. You have two options on how to set this device up right now, either using the Google Home application, which is the more convenient option, or if you tap the down arrow key on your D-pad, you can set this device up using your TV remote. However, this is a much longer process and much more inconvenient, so I'm gonna go with the phone instead. So in order to set your device up with a phone, you're gonna have to open the Play Store on your smartphone. After that, tap the search icon and search for the Google Home app if it's not pre-installed, because it's pre-installed on many Android devices. But if you are using an iPhone, then surely you're gonna have to download it from the App Store. Give my phone a moment. It's I suppose it's actually the Wi-Fi that is working poorly today. So this is it. Open this application or download it and open it. Then and now, in order to add a new device, you have to tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen, select device, then select search for device, select your home or add a new home by tapping plus icon, and then tap next. Then wait until your smartphone finds the TV around it. It's gonna take a moment. Then select your Google TV. Make sure that the device name matches the device name in the top left corner of the screen of your TV. And then tap next. After that, you're gonna have to scan the QR code that you see on the TV screen. And after the code is scanned, wait until the phone and the TV are connected to each other. Tap accept, then select which room you place your TV in. Tap next, then select the network that you want to connect to. Tap next again, enter the Wi-Fi password. Then tap connect. Wait until your TV is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Tap continue. Then tap next and verify that it's you. If you have a password on your smartphone. Then let's wait for another moment until the phone signs in, until our smartphone signs into our Google account on the TV. Then tap OK. Then give the device some permissions. You can learn about them on your phone screen. Then tap accept once you're content with your choice. And at this point, that's almost everything. You can also synchronize your settings or set your device up as a new device by selecting one of the following options. Okay, select the language you want to use on your TV. And now select some streaming services that you would like to have on your smart TV. Then select the ambient mode for your TV, so basically a screensaver. You can choose either Google Photos or Art Gallery. I'm going to choose Art Gallery. You can also customize it here by selecting the categories that you would like to see. And tap Next, Continue, and Done. Okay, and so right now we have to continue the setup from the TV screen. Okay, so now we're gonna have to read the privacy policy, so scroll all the way down this privacy policy. Now you're gonna have to agree or disagree to all the features and program recommendations, product improvements, and all the other agreements. You can either select agree all, or you can just click proceed to go further. Then either agreed or disagree to interactive applications. And then provide the parental lock PIN code and re-enter it on the second page. After that, select power saving mode. You can always change it in settings, so don't worry. It will basically add some dimming to your screen. I'm gonna go with the low value. Now you can set up any additional devices if you want to, or you can just select skip and do this later anytime. And you can also connect any device with your TV right now. However, you can always do this later, so let's connect later. And right now select where your TV is positioned, so either on tabletop or mounted on the wall. So just select the option that fits you, and then you can calibrate your TV by clicking next. It's generally done in a second, so don't worry. Select while using the app, and now face your point your remote control to the TV screen. Oh, it just skipped the step. Why? Let me go through once again. Okay, so you just had to point your remote control to your TV and wait for a couple of seconds, and it would calibrate your sound. Okay, so now you can either register TV selecting one of these two first options, or just click skip and go ahead. And then confirm your choice. Click next. Okay, let the TV check for any updates, and if it finds any, let it download and install them. Then you can also have to give some agreements to Samba Interactive TV if you want to. You can always change it later in settings. So let's accept all, and then save and exit. Then click OK. And then click complete. And so at this point, the setup process of your TV is finished. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.